Hi guys, how are you all? My name is Soumya and I am your healer, psyche and tarot card reader. Plus I am a stylist, I am a food blogger and blogger. You can ask me any tips if you want to. And yes, today my topic is all about how you can do your manifestation. Okay guys, your manifestation can be done in a 21 days if you want. If you want in a 5 days, you can use your 5 into 5 technique. Like you can write your any of your wish in 5 days, writing it 10 times in a one page. Okay, write it continuously. I am having healthy, strong and joyful relationship with my dash 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 partner. Okay, just visualize it. Okay guys, and I'm going to tell you again another thing, like whenever you drink water, you can also like stick your affirmation in this type of bottles and just visualize again to cleanse your energy, negative energy, and drink your water. Okay guys, and yeah, while you do manifestation, please try to be positive. Don't think negative. If you want something regarding your job, I have a road opener oil. I am like, this oil has gone blast over, like to my many of my clients have bought this oil from me. So you can buy my road opener oil from me. You can also do a reiki healing from me. I provide angel healing, reiki healing, crystal healing and candle healing. So if you want to do any type of healing, you're most welcome here. And yeah, whenever you manifest guys, try to manifest your thing with the stone. Like this is a rose quartz. Okay guys, you see this thumbnail, this came from Czech Republic guys. Okay, this stone is from Czech Republic. वहीं से आता है ये stone and वहाँ का बहुत ज़्यादा famous पाया जाता है. You'll get the stone in a wholesale price over there mostly. वहीं से आता है ये. Okay, and this rose is like a love stone. You can attract love. Like अगर आपके friends आपसे रूठ चुके हो तो आप ये rose stone लेकर आप इसको manifest कर सकते हैं. This is kind of, I'll say, neural stone, like whatever, sorry guys. So this is kind of stone like renewal stone, yes. So you can just use this multiple times. Like I am using my rose quartz, I'm wearing this. I wear it because it is like, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आपकी जो धन राशि है पर्टिकुलर तो आप उसी में ही पहनेंगे, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला है इसमें. इन स्टोन्स में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि ऐसा ही पर्टिकुलर धनराशि पहन सकते हैं. एनी स्टोन कैन वेयर एनी टाइप. ओके, यू कैन अट्रैक्ट योर लव ऑफ योर लाइफ, द पर्सन यू वांट. ओके, एंड अगर आपका किसी से झगड़ा हो भी रहा है तो उन पर्सन को भी अट्रैक्ट करेगा डेफिनेटली गाइज. ओके, अगर आपको यकीन है तो ही आप पहनिए, बिकॉज मैं करती हूँ इन चीज़ों में यकीन. मेरे को इन स्टोन्स पे यकीन है बिकॉज दीज आर रेन्यूअल स्टोन एंड दीज आर नॉट लाइक दैट क्राज एंड ऑल. ओके, सिट्रीन स्टोन आता है. दिस इज़ अगेन वेरी पावरफुल स्टोन गाइज. ओके, दिस इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर स्टमक प्रॉब्लम्स. ओके, and like if you are having any anxiety issues, you can use this particular stone. I have many stone guys, let me show you. This is called pirate stone guys. Okay, golden pyrite. This is used for money manifestation. Green Avenger is used for again love, attraction and money manifestation both. Green Avenger stone जो मैंने पहना हुआ है हाथ में, जो आप देख पा रहे हैं. Okay guys, and yeah, for if you guys believe in Archangel Michael a lot, like my archangel is Archangel Michael and he is there to protect me all time. So इनका जो आता है ब्लू इन कलर स्टोन होता है, इनके एंजल आपको ब्लू इन कलर मिलेंगे. ओके गाइज, सो यू कैन मैनिफेस्ट और कीप योर स्टोन in your bag if you want to carry. Okay guys, and yes, definitely एक lapis lazuli करके आता है stone blue in color. Again, this is blue stone is Archangel Michael is lapis lazuli. You can wear this bracelet. I wear this bracelet because one of my psyche recommended me, so definitely I wear these. And yeah, whenever you manifest, guys, please try to manifest in present. Don't make it like कि काश ऐसा होता, या ये अगर आप प्रेयर भी कर रहे हैं, try to manifest in present, like you are a healthy, beautiful, successful woman or man. Okay guys, try to do that. Don't make silly mistakes like काश ऐसा होता. Okay, whenever you are showering, make your negative energy go away. Like you can take out your negative energy. आप हल्दी यूज़ कर सकते हैं गाइज. ओके, यू कैन यूज़ हल्दी, प्योर हल्दी जो होती है वो यूज़ कीजिए अपने नहाते टाइम, शावरिंग लेते टाइम. एंड यू कैन यूज़ अ रोज़ पेटल्स, रोज़ वाटर इनसाइड इट. ओके गाइज, एंड yes, just visualize everything in present. If you are sad, try to be happy. Okay guys, you don't need to be sad all time. अगर आपको मूड स्विंग होती भी तो आप वो कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज आप में sorry, I'm so sorry guys, I am having some throat chakra problem over here, so sorry for my discomfort. So you can just like, while showering you can do your manifestation anytime. Okay, you can use my love oil in a candle, in your candle. While healing yourself, please try to use candle guys. Okay, if you are doing meditation in love, try to use your baby pink candle. Okay, and pink or a red candle to attract your love, to bring lots of love and happiness. To remove negativity, you can also use a black candle twice. But don't, again I'll say, don't like, अगर आप नेगेटिव है तो आप मत कीजिए. दिस इज़ माई हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरी वन. एंड अगर आपकी ईगो भी आ रही है ना किसी चीज़ को लेकर, किसी पर्सन को लेकर, आई रिक्वेस्ट डोंट डू मैनिफेस्टेशन. इफ़ यू आर फुली पॉजिटिव, अगर आपको अपने गट्स में भी यकीन है, if you have a gut feeling, if your gut feeling says yes, this will happen, so this will definitely happen, because everything is on your mindset guys. Okay, so this was my video on how to do manifestation in a different techniques. Okay guys, so if you want to know more about manifestation, you are most welcome to DM me, and I'll charge, of course it's a 1500 cost of how to do a manifestation within a 21 days. Okay, but you need to be continuing every single day, like different aspects, not in a same way. You have to do it everything in a different way guys. Okay, and try to use stone guys, it is very helpful. These all are renewal stone. You can like just remove it while sleeping. Okay, wear it while going out. Okay, if you are having a money wallet guys, please use the road opener oil, money oil. It is very helpful. Like just manifest, say your affirmation, I am having lots of abundance, I am abundant, I am getting lots of clients. Okay, just say like that, it will help you guys. Okay, so thumbs up if you like my video, and don't forget to share your comments below with Soumya Sai over here. So hope you all liked my video, and thank you for your lovely support at my YouTube channel. Keep on subscribing my channel at the rate of Mysterious Girl Soumya, and do share your votes with me, what type of reading you want guys. You can DM me which reading you want personally on YouTube, so I can share your views. And if you want personal reading, you're most welcome. My reading is only done on advance payment guys, so that your time can be also not wasted, nor my time. Okay guys, I don't entertain any free readings anymore. I only give free away to those who deserves it, definitely. And yes, it is like free giveaway only for those who come to me on a continuous reading guys. Okay, so thank you everybody. So see you in my next video soon. Bye bye, love you all.